This is the copy of my appeals to the Civil Service Commission, dated January 23, 2017. February 8, 2017. Forwarded to the Civil Service Commission Central Office. As you can see on this video, appeal to the Civil Service Commission Central Office. I see there, before the Office of Attorney Ariel J. Ronquillo, Civil Service Commission Central Office, Legal Affairs, Respondent Teacher Alfredo P. Coronel, on the above entitled administrative case, hereby forcefully raised on appeal the decision rendered dated January 23, 2017 of the Regional Office, Cagayan de Oro City, Philippines, received by respondent on February 8, 2017 at 10 a.m. with a dispositive portion as follows. Wherefore, premises considered, respondent Alfredo P. Coronel is hereby found guilty of conduct prejudicial to the best interest of the service and is hereby meted the penalty of suspension from the service for 6 months, but due to his retirement from the service, the amount corresponding to his 6 months salary shall be deducted from his retirement benefits. So ordered. Copy of this decision here to attach for perusal and evaluation. Instantly, an appeal to the Civil Service Commission Central Office is hereby raised on the following grounds to wit. So these are the grounds of my appeal. Number 1, letter A. There is a rule of law or irregularities have been committed prejudicial to the best interest of the appellant. Or letter B, the decision is not supported by evidence on record. Or C, new evidence have been discovered which materially affects the decision rendered. Paragraph 1 in my appeal. The decision rendered failed to consider that complainant so and so has no authority in the first place to interfere in disciplinary and administrative cases. Ay, di din PDK. O, di ako, hindi naman sa complain.